Good morning. First, all of you.
Good morning.
Today, the front of you again. I have called one or new friends on this stage for discussing something about of importance of time and about importance of discipline. But before discussing about of that, first I am going to discuss with this boy about of some grammatical function. Actually, how is his grammar about of that? I am going to ask with him and he will answer to me because he is taking class from a longer time, and I hope he will answer to me very bluntly, very successfully, whatever questions will be asked by me. Then first you tell to me what is your name? Or voice is not going in there. Please speak with louder understanding. What is your name?
My name is Manish Kumar Gupta.
Again you are speaking in little voice. I am telling you, please speak more and more louder understanding. You or what is your name? Again repeat.
My name is Manish Kumar.
Very good. In which class do you study?
I read in 9th class.
You are reading in 9th class. Great. Have you read tense?
Yeah.
How many kinds of tense are there?
3 kinds of tense.
Can you tell me each name of tense?
Present tense, past tense, future tense.
Okay. How many kinds of present tense?
4 kinds of present.
Can you tell me each name of that present tense?
Simple present tense.
Yeah.
Present imperfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous.
Okay. Similarly, also there is called past tense and future tense. We have no problem in this. If I will ask of you any structure from the part of the text, can you tell to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's you say the structure of past perfect tense.
Subject plus head plus V3 plus subject.
Subject plus head plus V3 plus object. Okay, just to change of this structure into passive, then how will you tell of that active structure into passive?
Subject plus head plus bean plus V3 plus Y plus subject.
Object plus head plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Do you know voice for solving of any sentences?
Yeah.
Okay, now I am giving of your sentence in active. Just you will have to transform of that into passive. And what is that question? Let's listen carefully, and that question is the front of you. I had seen a story. I had seen a story.
A story had been seen by me.
Great. I had gone to river.
I had gone to river.
Great. Yeah.
A river had gone by
Huh?
me.
A river had gone. What are you telling? I had gone to river.
Gone to river.
Yeah.
A river had been gone by me.
Okay. River. A river had been gone by me. Great. Next sentence. More you take care. I was writing a poem.
A poem was being written by me.
A poem was being written by me. Okay. Now I am going to ask of you some sentences in Hindi, and just you will have to transform into English. Understanding? And which thing I am going to ask of you that is not coming related from the part of tense. That is coming from out of tense. Okay? Okay. The next sentence. Take care. उसे देखना है.
उसे देखना है.
Yeah.
He had to see.
Great. उसे पढ़ना था.
He had to read.
Great. उसे जाना पड़ेगा.
He shall have to go.
He shall have to go. There will be used.
उसे जाना पड़ेगा.
Then what am I telling here? What you listen? That's why I keep on telling to almost a student whenever I will question to you at that moment, you keep up your mind concentrate, and after listening to very well of that question, you try to answer to me. You do not answer to me higgly. You are thinking of that. If I will answer to somehow, then that will be better for me. But Babu, like this, it is not good habit a student for telling like of any somehow way. Understanding or not? Right? What did I ask you?
उसे जाना
उसे जाना
पड़ेगा.
पड़ेगा. Again repeat that.
He will have to go.
Then in the first time, while you keep the minds while answering, you answer very well. Okay. Next sentence. Again I am to ask of you. वह लड़ने पर है.
He is about to fight.
Great. If I will ask of any parts of the degree sentences, can you say how many kinds of degree are there?
3 kinds of degree.
There are 3 kinds of degree. Can you tell me each name of that degree?
Comparative degree.
Comparative. This does not start from comparative. This starts from positive.
Positive degree. Comparative degree. Superlative degree.
Okay. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay. I am asking of your sentence in your comparative, whether in superlative, whether in positive. Any of them, I am to ask of you any sentences from the part of the degree. You will have to answer to me very instantly. Understood? Then what is that question? Take care. Listen carefully and answer to me bluntly. वह मुझसे ज़्यादा लंबा है. वह मुझसे ज़्यादा लंबा है. First you recognize this sentence. In which part of the degree this sentence has been asked of you? Okay, this sentence has come in comparative degree. Can you solve this? Yeah. Say.
He is taller than me.
He is taller than me. Great. मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ.
मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ.
Yeah.
Superlative degree.
Okay. Then translate into English.
I am all of them.
Means सबसे बड़ा हूँ. मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ.
मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ.
Yeah.
I am very bigger than all of.
In superlative degree there is who is the yeah. Last of any adjective. मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ. I am tallest of all. Whether I am biggest of. Understanding? Like this sentence is solved. But you solve of this sentence incorrect. Like this you should not solve. Understanding? Next sentence again I am going to ask of you from the part of whole narration. You have read narration? Do you know how many kinds of narration are there? There are two kinds of narration. Can you tell me name?
Active narration, passive narration.
Active narration or passive narration?
Active and passive.
Yeah, active and passive narration I have taught like
No
this.
sir, direct speech and indirect.
Direct speech and indirect. In the first time, what do you say? In the first time, what have you said? You imagine that you conducted that or not, but like this answer is not given. Understanding or not? Every day I keep on telling the front of you, when you come on the stage and whenever any question is being asked by me, that question you listen carefully and answer successively, very carefully. You will not have to answer like of Hagar Magar. Also study I had told of you, but also today I am looking to same condition. It is not big performance, it is not a splendid performance. You should keep exactly of your carefree minds. If you keep exactly carefree minds, then you can speak to anything, whatever or we will say, you can speak that very well. Understanding? But which is your notion? That notion you try to improve. Understanding or not? And notion is improved by thinking, by keeping concentrate mind. And if you think of that without keeping concentrate mind, I can answer to very well of any kinds of the thing. It's not possible. Understanding? Also like this condition was happening with me in the previous time when I was reading just like of you. At that moment also, my teacher you tell to me, please you improve of your speaking. At that moment, if any teacher who asked me any kinds of the question, at that time also, my mind was going out of sense. And if the teacher asked to me this, then I answered at that moment, that the same condition is going on you. Then how did I remove of that circumstance from my lives? You know, I started to practice to going on the stage, the front of the mirror, the front of the people. When I started to go to the front of the people, and when I started to discuss, to starting to different kinds of the topics, then my fears went away, and I overcame from my fear, from my hesitations. That's why I'm telling of you, you try to talk to most of the times the front of the friends, you try to ask different kinds of the question, the front of the teacher. If you will discuss continually like this in your daily life, then in your minds there will not come of any error, there will not come of any hobbling points the back for speaking English, whether the back for answering. Understanding? Okay, then there are two kinds of narration. That is first, direct narration, and second, indirect narration. Okay, can you tell me any sentences from the part of direct narration? If I will say of any direct, just we have to change of that sentence into indirect. Do you know? He said to me, where are you going? At first you will have to recognize in the sentence who is speaking with whose, and whose about there is being discussed. After that you will have to answer to me. He said to me, where are you going? A question is the front of you. He said to me, where are you going? Who is speaking with whose? He is speaking with me, and there is being told who's about? About me. Then what will you change, and how will you change of that sentence? Let's do that quickly.
He asked me where I was going.
Very good. He asked me where I was going. That answer. But now I am going to ask of you another sentence, and you will have to answer to me. Okay? Sita said to me. Sita said to me, what are you eating? Sita said to me, what are you eating?
Sita asked me what I was eating.
Very good. Sita said to me. Sita said to me, rather asked me. Sita asked me what I was eating. Great answers. But again, I will call up you next stage. In on this stage, at that moment, you will not have to study. And for today, it's so far. But again, I will visit to you in my next session. For till then, I am telling of you, you will have to prepare and you will have to study well. Okay? You can go on your seat. Now I am going to call another student. Please come back. You understand? Okay. Today again I have to discuss something about of the grammatical parts and some importance of time. Okay?
Yes.
Have you completed this all sort of a thing?
Yes.
You do not keep up any hesitation while answering. You have not need to fumble anywhere while telling. If you keep up any fumbling point inside of the mind, you will not be able to expose different kinds of the topics. Understanding or not?
Yes.
So when you come on the stage, at that time you come to being very carefree minds. If you come to being carefree minds, then you will be eligible for talking of different kinds of the topic. And if you will not be confidence mind, if you will not be very carefree minds, you will not be able to speak to very well. Understanding? Which suggestion I have given of you about of that you understand well. And when I will ask of you question, at that moment you will have to answer to me clearly and voluntarily. Okay? Then first tell to me what is your name.
My name is
In which class do you read?
I read in ninth class.
Okay, please body expression you don't forget while speaking. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You are reading in 9th class.
Yes.
Okay, you speak with louder. Understanding? What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Really, your favorite subject is English?
Yeah.
Would you like to speak English?
Yes.
Okay. If anyone who will ask of any question in English, can you understand very well about that?
Yeah.
You won't have any problem?
No.
Then just I am going to ask of you any question. From the part of whole narration. How many kinds of narration are there?
Two.
Tell me.
Direct narration and direct.
Okay, direct speech or indirect speech means like of that point means which I called in the previous time. Like of that point, you do not answer to me active voice or passive voice. Mean active narration or passive narration, you do not say like this. Understanding or not?
Yes.
What is first? Direct speech and indirect speech. Then do you know any sentences for solving into indirect?
Yeah.
Okay, I am giving of your sentence. You listen carefully and answer to me very well. Okay. Rohit said to Manoj, what are you doing?
Rohit
Said to Manoj, what are you doing? First you identify who is speaking with whom. Rohit said to Manoj, what are you reading? And whose about there is being told. About of that first we will have to identify. Okay? Manoj.
asked Manoj
What he was
doing.
what he was doing. Right answer. Bipin said to me. Bipin said to me, open the door. Bipin told what order?
Bipin ordered me
Open the door. To open the
door.
at first you recognize of the sentence in which part of the sentence it is coming. The sentence has come in your order sentence. In imperative sentence, that sentence has come. And I have told of you, if you have need to solve for imperative sentence or sentences, then how will you solve? On the place of inverted comma, what you will have to place? Two. You will have to place two. Understanding? Next one, again I am asking of you from the part of degree. Do you know degree?
Yes.
How many kinds of degree are there?
Cancel degree.
There are 3 kinds of degree. Can you tell me each name of that degree?
Positive degree, superlative degree, translative.
Positive degree.
Superlative degree.
Positive after superlative comes, while comparative comes.
Comparative.
After that,
Superlative.
also you start to say like of that boy. Also you are unable to keep up a fixed mind. I am telling of you when you speak of anything in that moment you keep a steady mind, a steadfast. You keep up making of your mind. Understanding or not? Okay. राम तुमसे बड़ा है.
Ram is taller than you.
Great. मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ.
I am tallest of all.
Great. Okay, now I am going to ask of you any sentences from the part of voice. You have to answer them. Okay. How many kinds of voice are there?
Two kinds.
Okay, can you tell me its name?
Active voice, passive voice.
Okay, active voice and passive voice. I am asking of your sentences from the part of active voice, and you will have to just change into passive. Okay. Sita, Sita is going to river.
The river.
Sita is going to river, but take care. Go and comes. Usually, go and comes sentences in indirect in our passive voice that is not made. But if you are knowing the rule, you can make passively. Understanding or not? But other sentence I am giving of you. Sita is bathing in the river.
In the river being bathed.
In the river is being bathed by Sita. Okay. I had driven a car.
A car had been driven by me.
But you are speaking in very slower voice. It's not good. Understanding? Speak loudly. Okay. But I'm looking also you have good experience, but something you have hesitations while responding about of that hesitation you will have to remove after speaking too much the front of the student. And if you will not speak too much or hesitation will be going on like this, so I'm telling of you now you have very great opportunity for improving of for communication skills and for thinking skills. How can you develop for thinking skills? As much as you will think of different kinds of the sentences into English, that's all thinking skills will be developed. Understanding? And some you have need to gather what? Words power. If you keep gathering to words power, you will not face of any kinds of the problems while speaking. Okay? Again, I will visit to the next student, but today I am wanting to over the class here, and again I will visit in my next video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.